Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be. We are back and better than ever, and this is indeed how we do it. A little bit of exam jam number 9. That's the solution that we are working. So let's get to it, shall we? All right, so we have a test that has 5 questions, and to pass the test, at least 3 of the questions must be answered correctly. So, Mark. He's not doing so hot. The probability that he answers a question correctly is 1 in 5. Let x be the number of questions that Mark answers correctly. Expected value of x, well, that would be 5 questions times 1/5. That's very simple, very easy. So we expect him to answer 1 question correctly. Find the probability that Mark passes the test. So this is really finding the probability that the random value x will be greater than or equal to 3, because he passes with a 3, a 4, or a 5. And what we have to realize here is that this, boys and girls, is a binomial distribution because he gets the answer right successfully or he gets the answer wrong. So let's take a look. Menu, probability, distribution, binomial. It's cumulative because he could get 3, 4, or 5. Number of trials is 5. Probability of success is 1 divided by 5, or 0.2 would be fine. He needs to get from 3 to 5 questions correctly in order to pass. Boom, boom. 0.058 would be the correct answer. So 0.058 we'll write in there. 0.058. Okay, next. Oh, Mark has a friend. It doesn't say if they're friends or not. I don't know. He also takes a test. Let y be the number of questions that Bill answers correctly. The following table is the probability distribution for y. Show that 4a plus 2b equals 0.24. Well, that's pretty simple. We know that these probabilities must add up to 1. So, we got the lawnmower going behind us. 0.067 plus 0.05 plus a plus 2b plus a minus b plus 2a plus b plus 0.04. That all must add to 1. All of these probabilities here must add to 1. If we simplify all that, I think we get 0.76 plus 4a plus 2b equals 1. And so we have now shown that 4a plus 2b equals 0.24. Bam! All right. Given that the expected value of y is equal to 1, well, find a and b. Okay. Well, that's not so bad. We just take the expected value here times its probability, and that should be equal to 1, or we're told that it's equal to 1. So we would say 0 times 0.67 plus 1 times 0.05 plus 2 times a plus 2b plus 3 times a minus b plus 4 times 2a plus b plus 5 times 0.04. That must equal to 1 according to what they have told here. And if we clean that up, I believe we get 13a plus 5b equals 0.75. And we also know that 4a plus 2b equals 0.24. So that's just a system of equations. that we can solve, and we get A equal to 0.05 and B equal to 0.02. I was pausing there because I was considering how I would solve this system. There's no easy elimination. I mean, you can multiply this. Let's see, if I'm going to eliminate the b's, you know, I multiply this by 5 and this by 2 and subtract one from the other and get this. Or I could solve either of them or both of them for the same variable and graph them and see where they intersect. So whatever floats your boat, you got a calculator, so it should be pretty easy. Okay, so find which student is more likely to pass the test. Well, we already know that the likelihood that Mark passes the test is 0.058. So we have to find what's the probability of Bill passing the test. And this is so much easier than it looks, because you pass the test if you get 3, 4, or 5 correct. So I just have to add up these probabilities. So that would be for the probability of getting Bill getting 3 correct is 0.5 minus 0.02. Not 0.5, 0.05, sorry, 0.05. And then let's see, 2a plus b, so plus 2 times 0.05 plus 0.02 plus 0.04. And if you add all that up, you get 0.19, okay, which is greater than 0.058. So you would have to write Bill. You could just write Bill, actually, but to be safe, Bill is more likely, and you are done like a bun. All right, I hope that you enjoyed that, got something out of it. I'm going to see if this is still how we do it. I don't know, what do you think? This is how we do it. All right, hope you enjoyed it. I am out.